Let's talk magic. When Latvians start slowly losing their mind due to extreme cold and boredom, which happens usually mid-February, we turn to magic. Every Latvian knows that the thing that absolutely needs to be done is you put on a straw hat with zero heating efficiency, put on a jacket inside out, make carrot dick and onion balls, and dance around and make some noise. And also include some fire activities. Now you can call this crazy mumbo jumbo or even voodoo madness, but trust me when I say in 2 months the snow will be gone and it's going to be warm. The sun is already here.